One of the largest stream stewardship festivals in Metro Vancouver takes place at a tiny stream in Port Moody during the first Saturday of every May. At the annual Fingerling Festival, local residents, fishermen, families, and nature lovers all gather at Moons Creek Hatchery to send up tens of thousands of juvenile chum salmon.
Oh wow, they're very three important fish.
My name's Dave Benny with the Fingerling Festival. Our hatchery's been operating for 21 years, and this is our biggest event we've ever had. Yeah. And we have close to 5,000 people and about 70 groups participating. We raise at our hatchery about 100,000 chum salmon and about 40,000 coho a year. We've done cutthroat quite a few years ago, but it was just too much hassle, and we had troubles with water temperatures in the summertime and low flows, so we had to hold them for so long in the tanks, and the hatchery just didn't work out. We have all sorts of volunteer stuff. We got everything from pulling invasive plants to water quality monitoring in the hatchery, and just fishy stuff all sorts throughout the year. We do a lot of community events happening all over the valley here. We've even taken our display all the way up to Horsefly for the Horsefly Salmon Festival. There's all sorts of things we do.
Like many other urban streams, Moons Creek faces many challenges such as land development and pollution. Due to a lack of spawning habitat in Moons Creek, the volunteer-run hatchery and its ongoing projects are important to the health of this small salmon population.
Our group is funded through department fisheries, donations, court awards from environmental impacts over the years. And we had a fellow that passed away, and in his will, he wrote us in his will, and we got about $125,000. It goes into the Vancouver Foundation towards school scholarships and bursaries. So last year we gave out 2 scholarships for around $1,500 each. So that's sort of one thing. We had a garbage fashion show up the hill at one of the high schools, and they just donated $500 to us, $525 or something like that anyways. So we get money from all sorts of weird sources you don't know, you don't expect, and all of a sudden this check arrives, Every once in a while we get a check for some oddball amount that comes out of someplace in Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan through the United Way, and we don't know where it's generated from because it's all secret. So we get this money from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan. So it's kind of odd where we get money from this.
Besides juvenile salmon release, Fingerling Festival is an opportunity for local conservation groups to get together for the day. Over 70 groups gather at one place, sharing their project ideas to each other and the general public. For more information on Fingerling Festival and Port Moody Ecological Society, please visit www.moonscreek.org.